In today's challenge, we're going to be using this chunky lad with just a G19 pistol, and we're going to see if we can complete the mission with just a pistol. I got my lovely squad with me today, but unfortunately they're not going to be joining me, otherwise that will ruin the challenge. Okay, we're going to hold these people here, as we obviously don't need them. How do I want them moving? Stay there. Nice shirt. Nothing here. Oh. Put the gun down, put the gun down, come on. Okay, well that... Okay. What a good start. Jeez. That's 3 men down already. Secure the evidence.
Entry team to talk. We got 1 fatality. Suspect.
You guys don't look so good. Fucking hell, has Bigfoot been walking through here? Jesus Christ.
Talk. Suspect killed.
Talk reporting. Notifying morgue.
Let's restrain him as well. We got another weapon under him as well. There we go. Okay, let's move through here now. I'm hearing some people. Get down, come on. Get down. Get down. Or don't then, and die.
Get on the ground now. Get down. I want to see hands. Put your hands up. Turn around slowly. Stay here. Do not get in our way.
Yeah.
I don't understand.
Ellen
What
to
did I
talk.
do?
Civilian cuffed and ready for trial.
He sort of ran into the room, that's what he did. Let's do that. Let's do that. Okay, we're still fine on ammo. Firing ram. It's the wrong one.
Police, down.
Get down. Jesus.
Hands up. Stay still. Do not move. Calm down.
Quickly restrain him. You swear at me.
It checks out. I swear.
We got a suspect here ready for escort. Let me see those hands. Hands up. Do it now. Down on the ground now. Hands up. Drop to your knees.
Okay.
Turn around and stay still. I have to cuff you for our safety.
Don't mind we do. You might have a bloody hidden weapon.
Entry team to talk. Civilians standing by
Okay.
for trailers.
Element, this is Talk. Trailers en route.
Oh my. That's a bit close. Will you behave? I've only shot you about 5 times. Okay.
Talk. One suspect is down and alive.
Entry team, this is Talk.
Yeah, barely.
Notifying Thames.
Man keeps screaming.
Element to talk. We've got a dead suspect here.
Talk here. Tag him and keep moving.
Okay, nice. What is the actual objectives of this? Rescue all the civilians. Okay. Let's move down these stairs then. Let's see if we can... Actually, no, let's not move down those stairs. I think we'll go this way. My guy's moving very slowly because he's got broken legs. Get down.
Down on your goddamn. Get down.
What are you doing?
Hands up
Get down.
above your head. Keep your hands up.
Get down, man. Jeez.
Stay here.
Oh, I just push your head into the concrete.
Lead the
Lead,
talk.
this
One
is Talk.
civilian detained.
Great job,
Ah.
Entry
There we go.
for debrief.
Nice. Look at that. We managed it. I mean, this is probably one of the easiest missions you can probably do. But, you know, it's a start to the challenge. And in the next video, we will try it on a different map and see if we complete that as well. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And I shall see you in the next one. Goodbye.